Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my work from home skincare routine. So if you would like to see the products that I have been using, then just keep watching. So like many of you, I am working at home. So for me, that means I no longer need to wear makeup every single day. So now I have more time to focus on my skin and my skincare. So I've been using 3 products that have been working really well with my face. So before I do that, I'm gonna get my face nice and wet. All right, so now that once is nice and, damp, I'm gonna be going through my cleanser. So this cleanser is from Curology. So something that I love about Curology is that it actually has a dermatology provider and it has 3 steps that you use in the products. So they have the cleanser, then it has your own bottle for whatever your skin needs. And then it also has the moisturizer. So putting this in here, I'm just going to be cleansing my face. It doesn't have a smell, which is great. And it just smells very clean, just since there's not a scent. And then it goes into kind of bubbly. And this is gonna go all over the face. So I like to keep this on my face and really scrub it in. So it is not abrasive, but it's really nice for your skin. Let me know down below. So what is your biggest challenge when it comes to skincare? I'm gonna wash this off really quick. I'm gonna get my handy dandy towel. I'm just gonna wipe it all off. All right, so the next part that I'm gonna be using is this, and this is the one that is based upon you, not this person over here, me. Okay, so that means everything in my own bottle is different than everybody else's. So I have this, and this is what you're gonna be putting on your face. So what I have been using is 2 pumps, and what I love is that it is, as I said, based upon your face. So this in my face, it is extremely smooth because I have extremely dry skin, face, body, literally everything. So mine is extremely hydrating and really good for your skin. So I never really had bad like acne or anything. So that's not something I put into my skincare here. There's tons and tons of different things that you can add into your own bottle. So this is the custom formula. So once again, everybody's is different. So mine has a lot for moisture because I'm a dry human. So after that, I go into the moisturizer again. So this is the Rich Moisturizer. And then I'm gonna put this on here as well. As I said, I'm a dry human, so I put quite a lot of it. And I like to make sure that this is no longer wet, just so it can really go like absorbing into my skin. And I let that in there. And you can already see how hydrating my skin is over here, just because of this, because I had said this is extremely hydrating for the skin. And you can already see, I don't know if you guys can see, but like on my high points right here, like it already has like glowing in it. So it's just amazing. And I'm gonna put this into here. And I like to do about 2 pumps just because, again, I'm very dry and I like to really put this in. And I like to like press it into the skin so it really gets in there. So something that I do love putting in is this. This is from Becca, and this is the Backlight Primer Filter. So it looks like this, and I'm gonna put a couple pumps. You can see And I'm gonna put it on my hand so you guys can see. It is, you can see it has a nice glow. So you can see here. Obviously, I would not use this if I'm going to bed, but in the morning, I do like putting this on top of my kind of highlight area just to get it even more glowy for the day. Now, if I was obviously going to bed, I would not be putting this because I don't want this on my face when I'm going to bed, but I love to put this up here. It's so, once again, glowy, and it just looks like extremely fresh. And I would also put this on my nose, and then a little bit up here as well. So if you don't have this, I will put the link down below for it. It's amazing. So you can see on my skin here how glowy and dewy I see. So the next thing that I use is this. This is the Smashbox Water Primer, and I love this. It's just a setting spray that kind of like locks it in place for everything for the day. And once again, this is pretty hydrating because it's primer water. So I like to put this all over my face. And I put a lot. So I'm just gonna let it sink into my face. So now that my face is ready for the day, I do want to kind of go over the products that I have been using. So these are obviously from Curology. So this is actually a subscription-based service. So when you sign up, you do get a free month for the subscription, and you only pay for the shipping, which is really great. So these are the other products that I have been using on the daily basis. And this is the Smashbox Primer Water. So then this is the Becca Backlight Primer Filter. So these are the other two that I have been loving. All right, I just wanted to give you a shout out to just being such an amazing group of people that I've ever had, and I love you guys so much. And I did want to give a shout out to Curology for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys are being safe. I can't wait till all of this kind of stuff is over. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, week, year, life. And I will leave all of my links down below for everything that I used today. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.